Hello and welcome to We Try D.I.Y. In this video, we're going to try the creamy lemon butter chicken recipe. Link to the original tutorial is going to be in the description below. Let's see how it turns out. For this recipe, you need the following: 6 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs, 1 tablespoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 cloves of garlic, half a cup of heavy cream, a quarter cup of Parmesan, 1 lemon, and 2 cups of baby spinach. So let's start with putting the chicken into a large bowl. This recipe calls for 6 pieces, but we're going to use 11. Now add all of your spices in with the chicken and mix it well. Melt some butter in the pan on medium-low heat and add garlic, but be careful not to burn it because nobody likes burnt garlic. As the original tutorial said, stir it until fragrant. This took about 7 minutes. Next, add in the chicken broth. And the heavy cream. Give it a good stir, then mix in the Parmesan. After that, squeeze in some lemon juice. Add in spinach. Gotta get every last leaf. Bring it to a light boil and then just let it simmer until the spinach has wilted and the sauce is thickened. This took about 13 minutes. Now it's time to sear the chicken. Melt some butter in the pan, and the original said to put the chicken skin side down first, so that's exactly what we did. You want to do it about 5 minutes on each side. You're not trying to completely cook them, you just want to make them a little bit brown. Now, we don't have an oven-safe frying pan, so we just grabbed our baking dish and put all the cream in there and then put the chicken in skin side up. It's now ready for the oven. Bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 Celsius, for about 25 minutes. But we had a bit more chicken to cook, so we put it in for 35 minutes. Now all that's left is to plate and serve. We would rate this about a 9 out of 10. It was a simple meal to make that didn't take too long to prepare, and it was delicious. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.